The plan for this first part of our journey is you're just going to draw some easy, fun cartoons. Now, I don't know what style that you want to draw in. What do I mean by style? Well, if I did this, that's a style. That means that almost all the characters that I draw in some way, shape, or form are going to follow this format, this little area right here. That's what that means. This is a style. If I want to draw characters with big, gigantic heads and skinny bodies and big pants, this is a style. That means that this is going to be the basis of my characters. If I don't really draw hands really well and I just do this, that's a style. Well, the one thing that I don't want you to do when you go into this is I don't want you to necessarily worry about your style because it's going to come organically. It's going to have a lot to do with your influences, whatever cartoons you like to watch, whatever stuff that you like. That's the stuff that's going to influence you and help you kind of shape your style. But when your style starts to emerge from you drawing over and over and over again, do not fight your style. Don't fight it. So many artists, so many of my students, even me, I fought whatever my style. I fought it for so long because you're constantly looking at other artists and you're going, well, my stuff doesn't look like that. My drawings, they don't quite look like that. So I can draw in a few different styles, of course, but you can pretty much tell it's my drawing. Whether I want to do this, if I want to do this, if I want to make it a little bit more serious, but still keep it cartoony, I kind of feel like I draw pretty much. I think I could put all my characters in one spot and have them exist. I think these two characters maybe they could probably exist. I don't run away from my style. I don't run away from the way that I draw. I embrace it, which is why I started teaching. I don't know the kind of comics or characters that you want to make. You may want to jump right into action and you may want to start making more action oriented characters. But for those of you that are just starting out, even if you are a much better artist than me, by the way, just try with practicing this little comedy style that I'm going to show you. And this is more for things that might be a little bit more oriented to comedy, that you can use for mascots for graphic design, that you can absolutely make a comic book out of, or maybe you want to do animation or something that's really simple. Maybe you want to do some flash animation. The things that I'm about to show you in this first section are going to be perfect for that. I want you to use this as a guideline. These are guidelines. Yes, they are step-by-step lessons, and you will learn how to draw. You will. You will learn how to draw cartoons. But these are guidelines for you to step out on your own. I want you to be excited about it. I want you to have a lot of fun with this. It's time for us to just have some fun. I want you to relax. The first few parts of this, I'm just going to take you through making some cartoons. We're just going to start drawing. You don't need anything fancy. You can just get a pencil and some copy paper and you'll be fine. Don't worry about having to even draw digitally if you don't want to. Just grab some scratch piece of paper and just draw along and have some fun. If you're not having fun, then you're not going to draw. Then you're not going to draw as well. If you're not having fun, when you start getting frustrated, because you're going to get frustrated, I just want you to stop, take a break, and reapproach it when you're ready. There is no rush. So, with that said, our plan is to just learn how to just do some basic cartoony stuff. Just some stuff like this that you're seeing me draw right now. Just learn how to make some basic cartoon figures. They don't have to be nice. They don't have to be fancy. And more importantly, more than anything, I want you to. You may not believe me on this, but I want you to make bad drawings. I want you to make many bad drawings because that's how you learn. You're going to see me make mistakes during the course, but I'm always going to correct them. But I want you to make bad drawings. It's okay if you make bad drawings. If you make some good ones, that's awesome. But I encourage you to make bad drawings because that gets you out of your comfort zone, and it lets you know that it's really not a big deal when you mess up, because you can always just repair it. You can always fix it. All right, here we go. Pencils up. I don't know where I stole that from, but let's jump right in. See you in the next video.